Okay, in today's video we're going to take a look at TTD, and this is where we found a simple symmetry setup in yesterday's breakout session, and I'll show you how simple it is. I mean, this prior high to low swing was $59.15, and then this high to this low was very similar at $59.10. Okay, there's a huge difference in the time that it took for this $59 decline versus the 6 bars to get this $59 decline, but the symmetry by itself is a trade setup decision. So the way that you look at it is, if it holds, you go down to the lower time frame chart and you look for a trigger. So those of you that are in my room had this information already yesterday, but it still is a trade that, you know, the party's not over yet, because the upside potential is to that 248.77 area. So just an example of, you know, what kind of triggers would you use? Well, you know, when it traded down at that 173.55 area, let's see, here's the first buy trigger on a 5-minute chart. So once you had the moving average crossover and you also took out a prior swing high in the process, that was a buy entry. Your risk definition would have been underneath this low. And also it has also fired off for the aggressive swing trade trigger for a a swing entry. Okay, you can see again it had the moving average crossover, it took out a prior swing high. Let me just check the 30-minute chart though. 30-minute is not, it's almost there. Yeah, it's almost there. Anyway, but bottom line, if we continue to hold above this low, because that's going to be the definition of risk underneath this 173.55 area, then the upside potential, if we just see a correction, is going to be to the 210, 211 area. The upside potential, if it's actually a more important low, is going to be up to that 248.77 area. So, you know, that's your setup. I'm wrong if it takes out that support. Okay, but if it works, then we're definitely looking for some higher prices.